Well, we've got a brand new Optum tractor that we're launching here today. So this is the Optum 440. So we got three new models in our Optum lineup, the 360, the 390, and the 440. We've had an Optum tractor out for about 10 years, but this really is a brand new design, completely new tractor really from the ground up. New hood, totally new styling, new engine, beefed up transmission, new front suspension on it, new hydraulic systems, so really just a lot of new things on this tractor. It's a very versatile tractor, can go in just about any market. You see this one's set up with row crop tires, so this is a great row crop tractor. We can put a front hitch and PTO on this tractor, so a great triple cutter, haulage, dairy, commercial dairy tractor. And so I see this as a great tractor for someone that's really running a tractor all year long. They're going to plant with it. They're going to do tillage with it, then they're going to take it maybe out in the hay field and cut hay with it, feed with it, do silage with it, right? This is really a year-round tractor, so it's got a lot of markets that it can go into. Most of it's unique to this model. Now what hasn't changed from the current Optum is the cab. We launched that cab a couple years ago on that tractor to really got positive feedback. It's a really nice cab, really quiet cab. The fit and finish inside that cab's outstanding, and our customers just tell us how quiet it is inside that cab. So we have that same cab on this tractor, but really the rest of that tractor is really all new. It's all CVT, but we have a 50 kph or 32 mile an hour option and a 60 kph or 37 mile an hour option. So we talked about that dairy and livestock industry. How about maybe manure hauling or hauling silage? We can get up and down the road really fast with this tractor. It's also got a really great braking system. This tractor will stop, so it's gonna be safe at those speeds. And with a new front axle, independent front axle suspension that we have, the ride that you get on the road and in the field is outstanding with this tractor. We deliver the horsepower a little differently between the two series, but if you look at say a 405 Magnum, the max horsepower is 435. The rated horsepower and max horsepower on this tractor is 435. So it's the same horsepower, but we deliver it a little differently. So we're really giving you constant power with this tractor, so you get it all the time. So we've got a twin flow hydraulic system option on this tractor up to 95 gallons. So you see it hooked to a planter here. We can run these planters that require a lot of hydraulic demand. But also with that system, if we have an implement that doesn't need as much hydraulics, we can run the engine RPMs down a little lower, save some fuel, and still get the flow that we need. So gives you some versatility with hydraulic applications. And then it's got a big fuel tank, 180 gallon fuel tank. And then part of this redesign with a new hood, the new styling, we got really nice steps to go into that cab. So real gentle walk-in steps to climb in there, bottom steps adjustable. And really one of my favorite features, if you look at the back of this tractor, you'll see the tail lights. They've got an IH emblem inside the tail lights. So we got kind of a signature to our heritage with that IH that really sticks out, and customers are really responding to that design. So we have a central tire inflation system option. This tractor is equipped with it. So we can inflate the tires or deflate the tires automatically from the cab. So we can run a lower pressure in the field. It's going to give us better traction, less compaction. Then when we take it out on the road, we pump the air back into them. We get better fuel economy, we get less tire wear. So it's a really nice system. We can do it manually instead of tire pressure. We can do it automatically. So when you hit a road speed, it'll pump itself up and be at that road speed. So really nice feature especially for those customers that are on the road and in the field a lot, going back and forth. They can change their tire pressure on the go, and there's a lot of advantages to that. This is a model year 27 launch for us, so we're gonna be taking orders for them coming up here around the 1st of June, and then really Q4 availability of this year into 27. So a lot of availability in 27 of this tractor. We'll start seeing some out demoing. You'll see them out at dealers and out in some field days and things this summer. And then we'll have shipments coming later this year. Yeah, for more information, you can go to caseih.com, or you can visit your local Case IH dealer also.